I want to thank the School of the Art Institute of Chicago for this honor. It is incredibly meaningful to be recognized by my alma mater, where I graduated from in 1995. Since that time, I have pursued my dream of having a career as an artist and have often thought about my time spent here in Chicago. My professors were incredible, and I learned so much from them about what the life of an artist can look like. I took the ease of visiting the collections at the Art Institute for granted, and that is one of my biggest regrets. During my own graduation, I remember thinking, what happens next? It was the 90s, and pursuing an MFA was just becoming a thing that many people were beginning to do. I remember asking a professor, do you think I have what it takes to continue being an artist? They encouraged me to not worry so much, but to always find any space where I could continue to create and make, and that I would find my answers in the studio. I have remembered that advice and continue to practice it to this day. This advice might seem too simple when we consider the immediate challenges that face many people, as well as the innumerable challenges that we collectively face in the world. Make no doubt, the world is a tough place, and it is an inequitable place. I want to affirm that for you. But here I am, 31 years after graduating from SAIC, and as an artist, I have accomplished more than I ever thought, and I have had some of the most incredible experiences because I chose to be an artist. There were many times when I considered giving up, and even tried to walk away more than once. But something always pulled me back into the studio. I simply could not find any other activity that brought me as much satisfaction as imagining something and putting everything into it to make what I envisioned a reality. Not just as an artist creating an artwork, but also as a human being creating a life for myself and for my community. I want to leave you with some things that I have learned over the last 3 decades that have been of great help to me. Number 1, many times when things feel difficult and challenging, it might feel like the obvious thing to do is to quit. This is not always true. Sometimes this feeling means that you are growing. You are pushing the walls around you because you need more space, more air, a louder voice, or you may be making space for a bigger community. Number 2, listen to your gut. Your gut, that feeling inside your body, has known you since you were born. It is there to protect and guide you. It knows when something is a situation that is not good for you or possibly dangerous, and it will tell you to walk away. It will also tell you when something is right for you. Listen to it. Number 3, very rarely does the perfect time happen. There are rare times when everything aligns and the answer is obvious. But most times, life serves ambiguous circumstances that can seem confusing. Don't wait for the perfect time. Instead, remind yourself of all that you have already done in your young life, the challenges that you have already overcome, and let those memories give you the confidence to move forward and make decisions. You're enough, and you can handle a lot. Lastly, I encourage you all to remain engaged in the world. Don't look away. Find ways to be physically present in the world and contribute to making the world a better and safer place for us all. Art has the ability to impact people of all ages and backgrounds. It is not perfect by any means, but knowing how to imagine new possibilities, think critically, and how to make things with intention from conception to physical reality. These are things that are crucially needed as we face the global challenges of today and into the future. I want to congratulate the graduates of 2026, your families, and your friends. I hope you are all extremely proud and will celebrate what you have accomplished. The next few years may seem daunting, but do look around at your peers here with you today. This is your community. There are many art worlds, and they are all relatively small. They intersect with each other regularly, and you will continue to bump into each other far into the future. Help each other out. Be happy for one another when someone has a success, and show up for one another. It makes a huge difference. I wish you all the very best as you begin this exciting new chapter in your life. Thank you very much.